Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you about the screensaver, that how we can set on the Windows 10. So before it start its complete process, subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, we need to click here, right click, and to go on the Personalize setting. And then we have to just click on the lock screen. And then we need to click on the screensaver setting. And now you can see here this window, and you can also search this window while using search bar. You can see here change screensaver. So there's two methods you can find this window, and then I want to show you about the screensaver and its many types. There are the multiple options for you all, that you can use 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify photos and ribbons. So these all are the more attractive. So at first I want to tell you about the 3D text. So let's start. So now you have to simply go on the settings, and then you can see here are the multiple options for we all. We can now customize our own text, 3D text. Here you can write and then choose simple font. Here are the multiple options for fonts, and there is also the options of the font style. So you can set here and then simply click on OK. And now here is also concept of the surface style. You can choose solid color, texture, reflection, or there is also concept of customize as a custom colors. You can also customize your own colors. And now here is the resolution. You can keep on the high or low size. Rotation you can also keep on the average, as I have done also. Then simply click on the OK, and now you can check its preview. And here are also multiple options I want to show you. Here is the blank. You can also see its preview, and there's also a bubbles. Another option is mystify, and there's also another option photo. So if you want to set your own pictures or any other photos, so you can set here. And now the last option is ribbons, which is more attractive than photos, 3D effects and any other screensaver. So this is the simple and the complete process to set your screensaver, and afterwards you need to apply and then just click on the OK, then it would be done. So now if you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.